Hey guys, just a quick video on how to keep your hens cool on a hot day. I'm here in Melbourne in Australia, and today it's a 42 degree centigrade or Celsius day and it is stifling. So what I've done in my coop is I've got this polycarb tubing, as you can see, and I've installed it with sprinklers at intermittent sections all around the coop, connect it to a hose and turn it on for a good few minutes just so that they cool down. Before I did this, my hens were gasping with the heat, and now they're all quite happy. In the past I've actually lost a hen for heat exhaustion. They've got used to the spray and they quite like this cool breeze. Thanks for watching. Pretty straightforward to install as well, just with the poly tubes. Just put it into the key places and screw it up, and then put your risers in and off you go. And here they are.